Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. I'm going to do an entry to document my memory verse for this week, which is Psalm 8 verse 4. And this page is a little bit wrinkly because I've done another entry for Psalm 1 at the back. So I'm just going to use this pattern paper, which was part of my little Thanksgiving journal bundle that I released last year. I made a cute little tag book with some charms on it, handmade charms. So I'll link the video and the bundle if you're interested in getting that also for this Thanksgiving time during November. So I'm just using my tearing ruler just to create some interest and tearing the edges off. It always looks better to me when it is torn than it is straight. So I've done it with an angle because I want to use this vintage dictionary which is next to me to hide behind. I think these 4 colors, although I've always said it's not fall in South Africa at the moment, it is spring, but I love fall. I love how the Europeans and the American people, the USA people, they celebrate fall. It's not really something we do here in South Africa. We don't have all the elements. I don't know, we're not so into that. So I love the idea of celebrating fall, and I love the colors of fall. It's probably some of my favorite colors. So yeah, hence this printable is in fall. So please bear with me, my South African followers, but I'm sure you enjoyed it also. So I want to create lots of layers. I'm using this doilies, which is also in my Ko-fi account. I think it's a free printable, so you can pick it up if you want to do that. And it goes, I think, with the little tag bundle also. So the colors, it's all, I love these type of colors for autumn. So I'm just using some double-sided tape. I like to use that when I do layers. It just creates opportunity for me to tuck things underneath if I still need to. It's just quicker. I'm actually busy making some birthday cards. I sell that sort of on the sideline. So I had this double-sided tape on my desk because I often use that for my birthday card. So I was just using it, but I also do like to use it when I do layering. So I'm just using the journaling card or the verse cards, which we usually put on our box. I had some extra prints, so I'm just using that just to remind me of the verse. And I'm just obviously using the doilies, this journaling card, and a cute little cat there. And I'm just using this beautiful washi tape, which I'm worried that it's going to run out. It's probably one of my favorite washi tapes. And as you can see, I had to cut the tail of the poor little cat off so it doesn't hang over. And now I'm just going to use this Tim Holtz small paper clips. I'm just going to add that in there on the journaling verse card. Love these little paper clips. Also worried that I'm going to ever run out of them. And then I'm going to use this Jesus wooden signs that Ella Roots once sent me in a physical parcel. It's these laser cut wooden pieces, and it says Jesus. I thought that looks very cute there. And I'm just going to add that with normal glue. Hopefully that will stay. In the beginning I didn't want it to stay, but then I just put something on top of there to keep it going. So yeah, I hope you still enjoy memorizing all these beautiful verses about the peace of God. As I said, it could not get to a better time in this world. We are a world desperate of peace. We're desperately seeking for peace, but we know we will not have ultimate and perfect peace unless Jesus comes back and set up his millennium kingdom. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll leave all the details down below if you're interested in picking this up, or my little tag bundle if you want to pick that up. And have a great weekend. God bless, and I'll speak to you on Sunday evening. Bye-bye.